I'm a 59 now year old woman who plays a lot of tennis and golf. I was very physically active with my children. I skied, but as I got older and older, I started to have more trouble with my knee and started to be able to do less and less. When I finally got to the doctor, he did an x-ray and I walked in and I told my story about how I was having trouble functioning. I wasn't really playing tennis anymore. And he said, "We're not waiting. You are ready. It's time. You're going to have your knee operated on." So about a couple months later, I had my knee replaced. So I left there after less than 24 hours, went home, and the physical therapist came to my home. She worked with me for 2 weeks, and then I went back to the physical therapy that was hospital owned that I had gone to before. The problem was, after a month there, I still didn't have the kind of results I should have had. I only was at 89 degrees. They really weren't concerned that I was not getting the kind of bend I needed. They were more, it was more of a hands-on doing massage and all this stuff. And at that point, my husband and I heard about the X10 and decided that I needed to leave that physical therapy place. And I needed to get active and aggressive with this thing, or I was going to need a revision. So I went to a physical therapy place that was privately owned, that a woman who had the X10 to use and was using it worked with me. And I went, within a very short period of time, from 89 degrees bend to almost 130 degrees bend, without any more pain, without any more discomfort. She gradually, you don't even know what's happening, gradually it's increased and you get more and more bend, you get more and more bend. And it was just amazing how quickly that came back. And I avoided having more surgery because of that. Plus, I'm a much happier person because I went back to golf. I've played some tennis this summer. Again, took a lesson, didn't have any problems. And that's pretty terrific that I can walk a golf course and play as much tennis as I want.
X10, back to full strength.